Something has happened to my car. May nangyari sa sasakyan ko. It bumped on the sidewalk. Nakabundol siya sa may bangketa. I tried to fix it but I can't. Sinubukan kong ayusin pero hindi ko kaya. I don't know who am I going to call. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang tatawagan ko. Some people passed by and offered some help. May mga dumaang tao at nag-alok ng tulong. They asked me where I am headed to. Tinanong nila ako kung saan ako papunta. I'm driving to church. Papunta ako sa simbahan. This way is new to me. Bago sa akin ang daang ito. This is a shortcut. Ito ang malapit na daan. I'm planning to sell this car. Nagpaplano akong ipagbili ang sasakyang ito. Besides, I got this for several years already. Isa pa, matagal na din ito sa akin. I should have replaced it. Dapat pinalitan ko na to. I know someone selling a car. May kilala akong nagbebenta ng sasakyan. Do you think it's affordable? Sa tingin mo abot kaya? Yes, but you should check it yourself. Oo, pero kailangan mo munang tingnan. Okay, when can I meet the owner? Sige, kailan ko ba makikilala ang may-ari? I'll call him later. Tatawagan ko siya mamaya. What color and brand do you like? Anong kulay at tatak ba ang gusto mo? I haven't decided yet. Hindi pa ako nakakapagdesisyon. You should make up your mind. Dapat magdesisyon ka na. I've heard someone is also willing to buy that car. Narinig ko may gusto rin bumili ng sasakyang iyon. Well, I think the owner will decide about that. Sa tingin ko ang may-ari ang magdedesisyon tungkol dyan. I guess so. Sa tingin ko rin. Have you tried inquiring other car companies? Nasubukan mo na bang magtanong sa ibang kumpanya ng sasakyan? Yes, just last month and the price isn't that much negotiable. Oo, noong isang buwan lang at mahalang presyo. Maybe you could look for an agent. Siguro pwede ka naman maghanap ng ahente. We'll see after I talk with your friend. Tingnan natin pagkatapos kong makausap ang kaibigan mo. Alright, I'll just call you if I reached him out. Sige, tatawagan na lang kita kapag nagkausap na kami.